Mangahurco, the grand host of the flowering of the Guayacanes. An area of 10,000 hectares of a forest located south of Ecuador becomes an unusual natural event for 7 to 8 days a year. The Guayacán is not an ordinary tree. It has found a method to adapt to the 9 months of dry season. They blossom and drop their flowers in a few days to survive with very little amount of water. But its own survival method turns its wood into a hard one, expensive and requested in the market. The Guayacán takes about 50 to 60 years to grow and reach just an average size. That is why it is necessary to understand the importance of preservation of the golden forest of Ecuador.